What's poppin' to MP Tribe? We are back with another makeup tutorial, and I'm giving y'all 2000s video Vixen, baby. I was inspired to do this makeup look by this girl on Lemonade. I'm not sure if she has her own makeup tutorial on this look on YouTube, but I will link her video from Lemonade in the description box below. And all products used in this video will also be listed in the description box below if you would like to check them out, try them, or add them to your makeup routine. So don't forget, first things first is to prime your face. Today I'm using my Good Molecules primer. Then I go in with my brows. I'm not filling them in today. I use my eyebrow tint by Benefit, and then I came in with the eyebrow setter by Benefit as well. Normally when it comes to my eyebrows and my updated foundation routine, I will use the concealer closest to my skin complexion, and then I will use a concealer 2 shades lighter under my eyebrow to give that fresh wax look. But since we're giving y'all video Vixen from back in the day, we're going to keep the same concealer on the top and the bottom, so we're not switching it up today. Then I'm going to come in with my Glam Goddess palette and my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to set my base. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my crease, set the concealer and everything with that light brown shade, and then I'm going to come in with a darker brown to go into my crease to add some extra definition before I smoke this eye out. Then I'm going in my Glam Goddess palette. That word is such a tongue twister. Try to say it yourself 3 times. Glam Goddess, Glam Goddess, Glam Goddess. It wouldn't be a made beauty video if I didn't get tongue tied. I am not a brand ambassador for this company anymore, but this palette and these colors and these shades do wonders. Their brushes that I have do wonders as well. If you all would like to know why I'm no longer working with them, comment Glam Goddess in the comment section down below, and I would definitely give you that story time. So after you blend out the black shade into your crease and everything and get that smooth, I'm then going to come in with my concealer that's 2 shades lighter so I can get that depth that I want, and I'm going to go into my lid, just my lid, that's it, not all over the eye. I'm going to cut the crease halfway. Once I do that, I blend it out, and then I'm going to add this silvery shimmer shade to it, and that's it. That's the look, nothing more, nothing less. So now I come in with my foundation. I'm using my Black Opal and my Fit Me, and I'm mixing those 2 colors together because right now I can only find the darkest complexion, and my skin complexion has changed. So with the weather changing, the seasons changing, all that, so I mix these 2 so I can get that color. Then I come in with that concealer 2 shades lighter, and as you can see, my placements, I'm not placing it too big, too wide, just over there. And I'm not doing my favorite blushy blush combo that I normally do because, like I said, I'm giving y'all 2000s video Vixen. Y'all see the outfit, it's giving. She ready. And don't worry, y'all, I know sometimes I could be all over the place with my makeup tutorials, but I will say we're going to get more and more professional as we progress. Y'all going to hear more enunciation. Y'all going to hear more clear words, clear verbs. I'm really be able to explain this better for you all. Just bear with me. I'm getting back into the swing of things, and I'm slowly but surely falling in love with my craft all over again. So make sure you blend that all out. And make sure you just look as neutral and natural as possible. That's the thing with back in the day, 90s, early 2000s. Yeah, sometimes the colors was bright and would go all the way up to your to your eyebrow bone. But the skin was always flawless. Some moments, yes, you did have the cakiness, the flashback, the oops, my bad, wasn't supposed to be giving that. But a lot of times when you see video Vixens, go look at the music video girls from back in the day. I'm going to try to include some clips in here. But go look at them from back in the day. They gave very, very soft, very natural beat. Nothing too much, nothing dramatic, nothing. So that's what we're giving here. And my lashes are actually already done. These are the lash clusters that I got from Temu. I may purchase them from TikTok as well and see how those work, because the Temu ones, they ain't bad, but they don't last as long as they say they will. I'm gonna do a separate video on that as well. So yeah, coming with my favorite palette. You will never see me use another contour palette, and if I do, that's because it'll be mine, because I am working on one. I'm just gonna throw that Easter egg in there. But I'm coming in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm contouring my nose, around my face. I did add a little bit more concealer into the inner corners just to add a little bit more brightness to my face to wake me up even more. But that's it for the look. You're gonna set it, you're gonna make sure that you're blended well, and boom, bow, baby, is nothing more. I did come underneath the eye with a little bit more black and some more shimmer in the inner corners, just so my eyes can pop some more. And I did throw some mascara on, but that's about it, nothing more. And I didn't do any highlight for this look. Can you believe that? No highlight. Like I felt like I was doing less, and I'm used to doing more. Like I like going all out with my makeup, but I'm not mad at this look. Like this look is really cute and very subtle, and I'm in love. So yeah, now as you can see, I'm adding my beauty marks back that were covered. I do have a beauty mark on the left side of my eye and a beauty mark on the right side or the left side of my chin, I believe. And yeah, I'm coming in with also my paint palette, my body paint palette, and I'm using that in the inner corners. Not the inner corners, my waterline, because I cannot find my black pencil for no reason. So I'm using the black shade out of that, put that in my waterline. Now, the makeup look is done. Getting this hair together, self-explanatory. So when it comes to my lips, I did line my lips with either a brown or black shade. I don't remember, y'all. This is like a few weeks later, me finally doing this voiceover for y'all. So chew me up in the comments, I know. Yeah, so I believe I used brown. I think I used black. So, boom, black. I used the black lip liner and some pink lipstick. And then I added some gloss on top of that. And that was the lippy. That was the lippy for today. I want to do more lip combos for you guys. But I have to honestly re-up on more of my makeup looks. A lot of stuff that I have were left at people's houses who I no longer talk to. And yeah. But that's it for this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Enjoyed hearing my voice and me talk on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Because you know your girl can ramble on for days. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. And please tell me how y'all like it. Please tell me how y'all like this look in the comment section down below. For real, for real. Let your girl know. I want to know. What's up?
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to God.
Oh yes, honey, it's giving fine shit. I'm that bitch. I'm really like feeling myself. I love this makeup look and the way that it turned out, honey. You can't tell me that I ain't that girl, because I am your favorite makeup artist in the DMV, honey. Better get at me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications, baby. And with that being said, peace, love, blessings, and we out. Bye, y'all.
I just wake up, you know.